Screw this damn crypto scam. I am done. I'm out. It's over. I'm selling everything and walking away from crypto forever. That is unfortunately what a lot of investors are going to be doing right now. A lot of people bought high. You may be included in that. Now those people are capitulating at the lows, realizing crushing losses. And look, I get it. I've been through multiple bear markets in crypto now, and the kind of days that make you want to puke when you look at your portfolio and just leave you feeling like the world's biggest idiot. But guess what? I did not become a millionaire from cryptocurrencies by throwing in the towel and walking away when the going got tough. And you probably won't either. In today's video, I want to make the case for not giving up and taking the opportunities during this bear market. My name's Lark. I make videos on investing. If you do enjoy that kind of content, then definitely hit that thumbs up button. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. By the way, if you are a cryptocurrency trader, then you need to get yourself an account over on Bybit. You can trade all kinds of hot altcoins on their spot markets. You can long and short Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the top coins on their popular futures markets. Use the link down below in the description. You will get $100 free on sign up, plus 30% off of your trading fees and a further $4,100 in possible deposit bonuses. First link in the description. Okay, let's get into this topic. Crypto right now, basically screwed. And look, if you're still holding on to a wide range of altcoins and stuff like that, you probably feel like an idiot right now. We've all been there. Don't be too hard on yourself. Right now, 98.5% of cryptocurrency coins are down by over 90%. So you're not alone. It doesn't get much worse than this. Oh, it can get worse, but not much worse than this. Hopefully, anyway. With the stock markets on the verge of basically a terminal collapse, we should all start praying to basically whatever deities or gods you believe in, because shit could be about to get real for the markets. Take a look at this chart here. This shows the similarities in the price action between the equity market collapse of 2008 and the markets right now. Not a good look at all. If that plays out, then say good night, because it's over. Short term, anyway, that kind of trauma is going to take a long time to recover from. Now, does that mean it's time to sell and try to buy back lower? Well, you can and of course will do whatever you think is best for you personally. But for me, I took enough profits in the bull run to be fine. Not everyone may be in that position, but I will be holding the rest of my coins, including some altcoins that are down dramatically. I'm going to be holding on to my stocks. I'm going to be holding on to my metals. Why? Well, have a look at this chart here, because the reality is that the time in the market is key to long-term success versus trying to time the market. That's a stock chart, but you get the idea. So if you'd invested $10,000 in 1980, that would be worth $700,000 if you had just stayed invested in the market. And just missing out on the 10 best trading days would reduce that by half. That's pretty insane, right? But Lark, those are stocks. What about Bitcoin, man? Well, let's look at Bitcoin. As a long-term investor, if you had consistently invested $100 a week for the last 4 years, that's right through the depths of the 2018 bear market, right through the depths of the 2019 bear market, all that pain and suffering, you would currently be up over 300% even with the massive downturn. Put another way, you would still be $64,000 in profit today. But what if you had sat out the bear market and only came back in when things started to get safer, when the market started to turn around, we built strength back into the market? Well, you go from 300% profits today to 59% profits today. Kind of a big difference. Consistent long-term investing, those are the people who win most in this market long-term. Let's take Amazon, because that's a pretty interesting example from the stock world for long-term investing. This is a stock that has had a price drop of 95% after the dot-com bubble, 2 drops of over 50%, maybe a third 50% drop coming soon, many drops over 30%. Sounds pretty scary, right? But if you had just invested $100 a month into Amazon, starting at the top of the dot-com bubble, I'm an idiot, I bought the top of the dot-com bubble, right up until now, guess what? You would have invested $27,000 approximately over the last 22 years, but your Amazon stocks today, including the 45% drawdown we've had already, would be worth $897,000. That is the power of long-term investing and consistently buying even during the scary times in the market. The plain and simple reality is that many of those investors who stuck around and survived the last bear market, the bear market before that, whether we talk about crypto or equities, they went on to become millionaires in the bull market that just ended. Those who quit and walked away, and yes, there were many people who did just that, those investors missed out big time. You see, the market has this funny way of really just screwing up your rational brain. Because when the markets are pumping and everything's green, the greed takes over. When the markets are at highs, we want to buy everything because they're all winners. They're all just going to keep going up forever. And then when the markets crash, well, the fear takes hold. Investors run away and hide, and they don't buy anything because the fear indicators in our brain says everything's a scam. It's all going to keep crashing forever. You're going to lose all your money. If you made these emotional mistakes during the last couple years investing, then learn from them, because here is the good news. Crypto's not going to go anywhere. It is becoming more and more and more adopted all of the time. We are still looking to onboard billions of people into the cryptocurrency market by the end of the decade. Look, here's this chart. It's incredible. Even if this adoption chart is only half right or a quarter right, then it means that crypto will go on to be worth tens of trillions of dollars. Bitcoin alone will rival the market cap of gold one day. When that day is, who knows, but it will go on to do that. My focus on the long-term picture is what helps me to ride out the insane and painful volatility in the cryptocurrency markets. And while it may not be what you want to hear right now, it is the truth. But right now, you are getting a second chance. You're getting a chance to get prices that we only dreamed of 6 months ago. So many investors 6 months ago were saying, if only I had bought this coin when it was cheap. Why didn't I buy this coin when it was X price? Well, now those coins are cheap again. But it's also a second chance to not screw up the next bull run, to make a plan. Most investors run around like monkeys with their dicks cut off, aping into every meme coin that they see, raging at all-time highs. And then they get surprised when they get wrecked. Take the time to make a plan right now. What coins are you going to be buying during the bear market? How frequently will you plan on buying during the bear market? Why are you buying the coins that you're going to buy during the bear market? Do they actually have long-term survivability or not? What is your long-term plan for those coins? What are the price points where you will start considering to take profits on some of those coins during the next bull run? Remember, you got to take profits on a lot of this stuff. A lot of these coins are super risky. Most investors got wrecked because they had no plan. They were just wildly throwing money at the market. Now is the time to start planning for success in your next bull run, because we will get one. I personally have zero intention of quitting crypto. Yes, the crypto market is difficult. Yes, we are facing down what could be a long, cold, and painful crypto winter. But this bear market, like other bear markets, shall pass. Crypto's not going anywhere. It's getting more and more adopted all the time. And those of you who can survive will be well placed for massive wealth creation on the other side of all of this pain and insanity in the market. Anyway, those are just my 2 Satoshis. I would like to hear from you. What is your plan going forward? Are you going to be here throughout the cryptocurrency bear market, dollar cost averaging in, or are you getting out of this? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.